Okay, Paul here, and I got this FADA radio all ready to go back in its case, pending a decision on the speaker. I've replaced all the caps, and I put the electrolytics up here where the old electrolytic was. The can was gone, so there was an empty bracket. I figured that's the best place to put it because there's less interference between those capacitors and the rest of the circuit. That's where it was designed to be, right near that IF can, so I put them there, and that worked good because there was very little space underneath to put them and have them not be too close to a circuit where they were going to cause interference. You see the pilot light is much brighter now that the capacitors are replaced. The correct voltages are everywhere. And so the pilot light is getting enough voltage now to actually illuminate the dial correctly. The sound is not bad. We'll look at the speaker in a second, but here's it playing on a local station. Oh, wrong one. Put it back on the station. As you can see, it's got plenty of volume. Okay, but here's the problem. I found another crack that was just a hairline crack. I went ahead and sealed it too. I didn't use, like they did, the thick old hot glue that leaves big old clumps of hot glue. I used just a sealing cement. It was very thin, as you can see. It's a much thinner coat. And it was just a hairline crack. You could hardly see it. You see where this one was repaired, you can see there's still, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, there's still a space in the crack there, but this one was bigger, and so are these. So they had to use thick stuff. This was just a very small hairline crack. Wasn't even obvious, but I knew it was going to split. And the reason I knew it was going to split and wanted to do preventive maintenance, let me light a... Look at that. I'm going to stick a light behind the speaker. Look at the speaker. Look at the top. You see that light right through the speaker cone, and over here, and over here, and at the bottom where I did that little repair. This speaker is totally shot, and it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to check with the owner if they want to replace it. I have to try to find one that'll fit. It has to be the right impedance speaker. If I can't find the right speaker impedance for this output transformer, then the output transformer would have to be replaced to match the new speaker and the output of the 35L6. To match the impedances. There's a very narrow area between the rectifier tube there and the detector tube, so it would have to be just the right side speaker. But it is working, you know, and it's got plenty of volume. Now, of course, I'm in a block building in the basement, so I don't get a lot of channels. And it will sound better in the case, but anyway, we have to make a decision on that, so I'm going to contact the owner today and see if they want me to try to find a speaker. I don't know how long they want to wait on the radio, but we'll see what we can do. Anyway, thanks for watching the video.